Hello, and thank you for joining us for another episode of Teaching Simple. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to quickly change window sizes to view multiple sources by using keyboard shortcuts inside of Windows 10. This is Windows 10 specific, so if you're on some other operating system, such as Windows XP, your primary concern is logging your simple ass off the internet, going to the bookstore, and reading about internet security. Now, Windows 10 users, the key combinations will be listed below in the description, and they are Windows key plus Tab key, Windows key plus the 4 arrow keys, up, down, left, and right. The first one we're going to use is Windows and Tab at the same time to bring up all active windows, and then we're going to select a window. It's going to go full, and then we're going to choose the Windows key plus the right arrow key. Now it only takes up half the screen. This is very useful for Excel users because now on the left hand side you see all remaining active windows, and any one of those that I choose will fill up that left hand side of the screen. For now, I'm going to choose up the right window. That way it's active, and I'm going to press the Windows key and the up key, and now it's going to make it quarter sized. Now I'm going to press Windows Tab to choose another active window. It goes full. I'm going to press Windows and the right arrow. Then I'm going to press Windows and the down arrow. Now it fills up that bottom right hand corner. On the left hand side, I have 2 active windows remaining. I'm going to choose one, and you see that it takes up the left hand side of the screen. So now I effectively have 3 windows open at once, 1/2 and 2/4. Now I'm going to choose this left hand side again. I'm going to press the window and the up arrow key at the same time. It takes that screen to quarter size, leaving me one last active screen. And when I click it, you can see that I now have 4 quarter screens open at once. I hope this simple ass tutorial helped you out. And if you liked it, please go below, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, and have a wonderful day.